business owner, when you start a business or when you take over a business, आपके हमेशा ये दो चीज बैलेंस करनी रहेंगी। अगर आप बिल्कुल अपने पर्सनल यूज के लिए पैसा नहीं निकाल पाए बिजनेस के लिए, तो इट फेल्स अ वेरी फंडामेंटल पर्पस। और अगर आप लॉन्ग टर्म वैल्यू और वेल्थ क्रिएट करने में अगर आपने ध्यान नहीं लगाया, देन इट परहैप्स विल defeat or demotivate or not inspire you or your people or in your family to take it forward in the future. And therefore, this is something that we continuously need to think about, and we need to build the business with that thing in mind कि हम long term क्या value create करना चाहते हैं. I think financial management is the tool you have for optimizing this, for always balancing this, not always focusing on current income, but creating long-term value and wealth. जैसे sales और marketing को हमने एक किया हुआ है, वैसे ही हमने accounts और finance को एक किया हुआ है. And they are very very different things. Accounts एक bookkeeping activity है. आपका क्या पैसा आया, क्या गया, किस head में गया, क्या वो ठीक से note हुआ है कि नहीं, क्या वो सही जगह सही time पे हुआ है कि नहीं. All of that is accounts. Finance is a topic which is basically about how do you raise money, how do you invest that money on one hand, and how do you optimize that money to meet your business goals. And therefore having strategic business goals is very important. ये जो हमने equate किया हुआ ना accounts और finance को, उसको तोड़ना बहुत जरूरी है अपने दिमाग में, because वो जुड़ा हुआ हमें बहुत sense of security देता है कि हाँ यार, मतलब my finance is managed because I have an accountant who has been working with me for 40 years. Most likely your finance is not being managed. क्या tools हैं financial management के? ऐसे देखा जाए तो बहुत ही simple है, 3 tools हैं. It's balance sheet, income statement and your statement of cash flows. We have to make sure that जो funds हमारे पास हैं वो हम सही पर्पस के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं. So long term funds are being deployed for long term assets. We have seen high cost funds go into plant, equipment, property, whereas you can have collateral based long term loans, because long term loans will always be cheaper and short term funds will always be high cost funds. And therefore बहुत जरूरी है कि आप इसको बहुत wisely use करें. And इसीलिए we say balance sheet is a statement of wiseness. How wise you are as a business leader कि मैं कहाँ से पैसा ला रहा हूँ, किस amount पे ला रहा हूँ, मेरे business की क्या growth हो रही है, क्या long term value create कर रहा हूँ. Most MSMEs में आप देखोगे कि, और आप अपनी भी experience अगर relate करोगे, profit is a discovery at the end of the year. कि अच्छा, अब साल के बाद में सारा जो रायता हमने फैलाया और समेटा, उसके बाद हमें क्या बचा. That's never how profit has to. Profit is to happen by design. That what is my gross profit margin? What is my aim? What is my net margin? What is my aim? And that's where you start running your business operations from.